Hello. Yeah, that's all I need to say for this. Yeah, hi guys. It's raining outside and it's getting on my nerves, and so I'm in this little house. I can only sleep at night. Well, what time of day is it then? But I can't move. This is terrible. I can't move. Oh, there we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. As you've noticed, I can't sing. Monster! It's a monster! Kill it! Kill it now! Ah, monster! Whoa. Sorry about the background noise, I'm playing a game as well. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like making a random video. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. As you know, I like to build a load of castles. As you can see by that one. Yeah. I'm just gonna can you toggle weather? No? That sucks. I'm gonna... Wait, it's starting to dry up. Yay! Yay, it worked. This actually... I don't know, tell you about 1.5. Well, 1.5... Well, I'm playing 1.5.1 or something like that. 1.5. It's got redstone blocks in it. Look. Wood dropper. I'll show you what that does. That's quite cool. So the dropper, all it does is we'll say you put like 5 arrows in a dispenser and they'll shoot, right? But here I think this is the case. It will just...
See my phone anyway?
No, sorry Dad. Yeah, and then what? Flame one. What's this? What's all this about? Is it if I hit something? What's this? No. Okay, I don't know what the heck that is. But it drops arrows. So if you don't want them shooting, you use that. Now, oh my god, I hate this inventory. Come on, shift click. Why won't you work? There we go. And then, I don't know what a hopper does, but I'm just going to have a little look-see. I'm just going to try and do something. Meh, 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 meh. Do you,
What's my phone?
wait. Do you do that? Fucking hell. Wait, I've got an idea what the dropper might do. Just go random. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, that's where the chest is gonna be. One, then hopper. Or dropper. I don't know, guys. If any of you people know what this is, please just help me. Write in the description, or no, not description, write in the comments below and tell me what a hopper does, because I'm really starting to question what the heck it is. Yeah. So that is yeah, that. Now, at the end of this, I thought we might end it off the video with a nice bit of hell and guts and everything. Oh, have you checked out my new skin? Yeah. Dun dun. Whoa! What? What the? Is this even possible? What the hell? Literally hell. What? Is that a bat in the nether? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, epic. I forgot all about these nether castle thingy of thousands. Clearly I've lost my nether portal, that's perfect. Oh, here we go. There. Oh, flipping out. I really don't want to get lost, because that sucks. Oh, it's there. Okay, I just couldn't see for a minute. I hope this isn't a dark video. If it is, I really apologise. Guys, sorry. Let's go inside. Woo! You know what? Let's not go inside. I'm scared. I'm scared of the nether. As I said, we're ending off with a bit of hell. That was hell. So, bye guys.